To zoom in or out the currently open web page, we will try with two different ways. First, by using the zoom option. To do so, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap zoom. To zoom in the web page, slide the zoom level adjustment bar to the right. Well, to zoom out the web page, slide the zoom level adjustment bar to the left. Select apply to this tab only if you don't like this setting to be applied to your other tabs. And then tap OK button to apply your selection. Second, by using gesture. To use this way, you have to make sure that the pins to zoom option is on. To do so, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting. Tap web page view and scrolling, and then make sure that pins to zoom in or out of web pages option is on. If this option is still off, you can tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use this feature, tap the back key twice. To zoom in the currently open web page, place your thumb and index fingers on the screen and then move them apart like this. Well, to zoom out the currently open web page, place your thumb and index fingers on the screen and then move them together like this. So those are two ways that you can use to zoom out or in the recently open web page. If you have other way to do so that has not been listed here, you can share it through the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.